So if you're in a position where you've got a desire to be successful financially, but you are also concerned that the pursuit of that success will potentially take away from the things that you value most or have a negative impact on, for example, your family or your most important relationships. Because let's be honest, trying to be successful financially is not easy, it's difficult, and it comes at a price, and most of the time that price is your time. So I want to encourage you with this piece of advice, something that you can set at the core of your belief system and ensure that when you focus on your financial journey, that if you do this together, that you will not have to pay the price or sacrifice anything that's important to you in your pursuit towards financial success. And that is that you need to ensure that you grow your character alongside your bank account. That is why it is so important to understand that getting rich quick is not a good thing, because you cannot build character quickly. Character building takes time, and it more often happens when we're in difficult situations and when we are going through tough and hard times. That is when our character grows. So make sure that you focus on long-term wealth and growing your character alongside your bank account, so that you're never in a position where you just have a strong character but you're struggling financially, but where you're also not in a position where you have lots of money in the bank but you don't have the character to sustain it or use it for the right reasons, because that will cause you to put your worth in your net worth, and who you are will be determined by how much you earn, what car you drive, what house you live in, and not necessarily by who you become. That's the most important. So in order to get it right, remember, grow your character alongside your bank account.